Ciao tutti and welcome to Nonna Gina's Food Adventures. I've been having so many requests for my cauliflower fritters. I put them up on Instagram and everybody wanted to know about them. They wanted the recipe, so here it is for you guys. Alright, so today we are using some steamed cauliflower. We are using flour. I have some extra flour here on the side. We have eggs, spring onions, parmigiano, sea salt and black pepper. And also then we need basil. So that will tie it all together and it's a one dish. You just mix everything in together. You'll see how simple it is. They are perfect, hot or cold. You can use them for picnics, kids' lunch boxes, just as a snack as you go. They are absolutely delicious and I will show you how quick and easy they are to make. So now what I'm going to do is first I'm going to mash my cauliflower up with a fork and then I'm going to chop my spring onions and then I will have everything ready and mix it all in my bowl. Let's go. There, I'm going to put them straight in. That's it. We've now incorporated all the ingredients just into one bowl and I've just gone a little bit shy, as you can see, of the 1 cup of flour, just in case. So we let it rest now for about 5 to 10 minutes, just while the oil is heating up, and it will absorb moisture and it will tell us whether we need to add that little bit extra or not. And I've actually even got another 1/4 cup here just in case. Now that there, it depends, like all flours are different and it depends on humidity, the type of flour you use. The different brands make a big difference. So that's why I've put both of those quantities up on the recipe below. Okay, so our oil has come up to 180 degrees, which is just perfect for frying, but I'm going to turn it down just a little bit because I don't want it too hot, because I want the fritters to cook straight through. So that will just cool it down a little bit. Now I've checked my mixture and I don't need any more flour. It is perfect today. The other day I needed more. Who knew? So all I do is I just get spoonfuls like that and just drop them into the oil and just flatten them a little bit. Don't overcrowd the pan. And that's what you want, beautiful golden crispy fritters. So there you have it, that's what you want. Now I'm just going to go on and finish cooking these. I can probably get one more in. And actually, as always, once you finish frying something, just add a little bit of salt while they're still warm, and that will just absorb into the fritter itself and just make it delicious. Some for luck. So here we have the finished product. I'm just going to plate them up, and I have some spring onion tops which I'm just going to sprinkle over the top just for some garnish. Look at that, I've made just enough.
I donate you.
And there we have it. These are my one dish cauliflower fritters. They are absolutely delicious, and I urge you all to give them a go. Give them to kids. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you everyone for watching Nonna Gina's Food Adventures, and if you like my zucchini fritters, click on the like. If you have any comments whatsoever regarding this dish or any other dishes, just comment on the comments below and I'll get back to you with any of your questions. And don't forget, most important of all, subscribe, because you're going to get some amazing dishes, very simple, quick and easy. Ciao tutti.